Hey, what's up? My name is Eric. I know a lot of people like to have their New Year's resolutions. So on January 1st, they decide they're gonna start going to the gym, they're gonna start eating healthier, doing all of that stuff. In my opinion, New Year's resolutions start in mid-February once winter's over. People are getting ready for spring break, they wanna start eating a little bit better, or the winter's starting to show signs of wrapping up, so you wanna start eating better. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna start making salads for lunch. A lot of people will run out of steam for a week through of eating salads because they get boring. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a salad that you can make that's delicious, and it's going to be cheap. And you're gonna see how you can make a delicious salad with leftover items in your fridge for a very cheap amount. Please like and subscribe and enjoy. Let's go! Now we're gonna start, we have this strainer full of mixed greens. We're just gonna give this a quick rinse. Beautiful. We're gonna let that dry for a minute. Earlier this week was taco night, so we're gonna use that to our advantage. We're gonna add a little crunch to our salad by cutting up this corn tortilla and air frying it. Then once in half, pull into our bowl. A little bit of avocado oil, a little bit of salt. 6 minutes at 400 degrees. And those are all done. And then we're gonna work on our chicken. I have 2 chicken breasts here. I don't think I'm gonna use all of this, but I'll have some left over for later. So I'm just gonna go basic on this seasoning, salt, and a little bit of Old Bay. And then we're gonna fold this over, wax paper, pound the chicken thin. We're gonna throw these on the pan. Chicken's getting flipped. Our little tortilla chips are going, and our chicken is going right now. We're gonna start on our dressing. We have our NutriBullet. We're gonna use half of this avocado, drop that in, 2 cloves of garlic, sea salt, spoonful of Tzatziki from our Euro video, a little bit of olive oil, squeeze of half a lemon, chopping up some dill and also some chives. It's all getting blended, so you don't need to go crazy. Just had to give our blender a head start, you know? Oh, beautiful. Chicken's all done, you guys. Off the pan. So we're gonna pour our dressing into this bowl. Oh my God. That's incredible. For the salad, we're just gonna cube up the chicken. We're not gonna use all of it, so I'm just gonna put it in a bowl. You can save the rest for later. Now we're going to assemble this salad. We're dropping our lettuce in, nice little base layer. And then the first thing I wanna do is add a little bit of this dressing on here. We're just gonna give this a quick toss to coat all of our greens in the dressing. We're gonna give a few tomatoes a slice. Just 1 and half and half and half. If you don't like tomatoes, you don't have to add tomatoes. We're gonna salt each tomato. Always salt your tomatoes. Into our bowl. Chicken in. Just a handful like that. Okay. Avocado. I'm actually using a whole half of an avocado because I wanted it. Our chips right there. Have a few pickled red onions that I'm gonna toss in just for old giggles. And then I'm gonna sprinkle that with a little more dressing just for the vibe of it. And we're just mixing it up again. And in every single bite, you'll get a piece of everything. Tomato, you get some chicken, you get some avocado, you get some red onion, you get some lettuce, but it won't be boring. It'll be delicious and it's cheap. Don't forget to hydrate. All right, this is a bite of pretty much everything in here. So good. All right, let me know if you try making this. This is delicious. It won't let you down for lunch any day. Drop a like if you enjoyed and comment what you want to see me make next.